Hello everyone. Here we are going to host a web service on Windows Azure. First of all, we need to create an account on Windows Azure for hosting any application. Here we go for a free trial, which is of 3-month subscription period. We already have an account, so we sign in. We already have Trends in Investment web service, which we are going to host on Windows Azure. So go and manage. This web service uses SQL Server database, so we need to create a SQL Azure database. Now we create a new database server. So go to new. Okay. So here you can see we have already created a server, and now create a new database. You can give here the name, addition, maximum size. Okay. We have already trends DB name database which we have created. Now we have to export local database to SQL Azure. So we go to Management Studio, go to Task, Export Data. Okay, now choose a data source, then do Next. Choose a destination. For destination, go .NET Framework for SQL Server. Okay. Now here you have to set the password, data source, initial catalog. In the encrypt, you have to set it as true. This all the settings you have to do it. Then click on next and then finish. Then finally the local database will be exported on SQL Azure. Now for development of Windows Azure application, we require Windows Azure Simulator and Windows Azure SDK. So you can download this from Microsoft site, and then you can download it vscloudservice.exe and Windows Azure SDK and install it. Now create a new project. Select Cloud, Windows Azure project. Give it a name. I give it a name as Trends in Investment. Okay. Now select a web role. Give it a name. I give it Trends. Okay. Now delete default.aspx. Now we create web service and test client for it. Go to add, new items, select web service, give it a name. I give it web service trends, add. Now in it, add the implementation code for trends in investment web service. Here we have already added the code for web service and test client. So now we run it. Okay. This is the test client which uses trends in investment web service. You can see here the derivative plot. Okay, so this is the derivative plot. Now we will see trend services which we have implemented. This is the trends in investment web service which we have hosted on the simulator. Now we will host it on Windows Azure platform. Now we need to configure the connection string. So go to configuration. Here we need to give the database name which we have created, user ID, and we have to set the password. Now you go to publish, create a service package. Okay. Now we will be deploying this on Windows Azure platform. Now go to Hosted Services tab, click on New Hosted Service, choose a subscription. We have chosen 3-month free trial. Okay, now give it a name, enter the URL. Now choose a region or affinity group. You can choose from here. Now deploy to stage environment, choose it. Now give a name to a deployment. Now package location, you have to browse it. You'll get it in the publish folder, Trends Azure. Okay, now configuration file also you have to browse it. You will get it into the publish folder. Then you can, and then click OK. You have to wait for some time till the status becomes ready. As we have already deployed the web service, we see the status here ready. You can find the DNS name here. Now we run the test client. So you can see here the test client. We also run here the trend services. Okay, you can see here the trends in investment web service. So finally we have deployed the web service on Windows Azure. Thank you.